Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you people are doing good. Today in this video I'm gonna unbox my Gala mop. I'm gonna show you how you can fit this with demo also. Let me unbox this first. Here goes my product. I purchased this from Flipkart and this was how it looks like. It indicates a quick spin mop and to small invoice it is been attached. And here it indicated like how you can fit your mop and how you can use this. And here the best part is you'll get 1 year warranty, and this is made in India. Let me open this. Friends, let me tell you the price first. I bought this from Flipkart and I purchased this on Big Billion Sale. So I got this for cheaper. I got this only for 9.99 rupees, and if you buy this product in any other time, if there is no sale, you'll get this product for I think 1200 or 1300, and the better option is I suggest you to buy this product in some kind of season sales. And here goes my product, and let me tell you what all are included. Firstly, you'll get one complete mop set. You'll get one refill you can attach, and I will get another one refill, and one spin mop. Here is the warranty card, and it's from a brand called Gala, and you'll get a wheel down, and you can see a holder side where you can move your bucket wherever you want. Since it has a super spin system which makes drying refill faster, let me fit this first. What you just need to do is you just need to take another part and just you need to roll it off as such till it ends. At certain point it will end, then you need to stop. Now let us fix the head. Here the already thread is being given. Here also the same procedure, just you need to roll till it ends. And here it has a super lock system, guys. You can increase the length, you can decrease, you can fix however you want. Just you need to open and lock it as such. And here goes the bucket dimension and complete mop set dimension as follows. Now let me fix this microfiber refill now. Since it is made up of microfiber, it is super smooth, and this microfiber refill with the super absorbent capacity offers you a superior cleaning performance. Here you just need to fix to the face given as such, and you just need to press it off such that you'll get a sound where it indicates it is being fixed, and once you shake it will not fall. It indicates that it's been fixed properly. Now I taken a little amount of water. I'm just testing it now. You can see the pulling handle and all. And guys, here the spin mop with wheels which helps you to carrying the bucket from one place to the another. Just you need to take off the lock and just you need to press to absorb water, and later just push it off like this until it dries. Just push it off nearly 6 to 7 times, and that's it. It will be dried. You can bend this mop however you want, such that by bending it you can clean this below the sofa or cot. Just while mopping you need to adjust the locker system with different height measurements. If you want more height, you can open it off and lock it. If you want less, similarly you can push it off and lock it. Friends, I think this Gala map is so easy to use and it's best under budget. I think others and all it won't work so effective as Gala, and the quick spin mop from Gala sucks up any spills or liquid and eliminates dirt in an instant. Keep the floor squeaky clean and free from germs. I've been using this from past 3 months and I found it very effective. If you want to buy this product, I'll share the link in the description. You guys can check it out once. And thank you so much, guys.